So the last born go stay with her sister when the sister carry belle, and then the husband of her sister, the middle sister, impregnate last born. Can't even carry and go comot belle, do abortion for their last born. So she hear this one, but even her sister, when she advised, say, may no marry the man, no know about them. So she asked question for the last part. She say, Abi make I tell my sister, Abi make I arrest the man, Abi make I just even carry this secret, go inside my grave, go when they go. That's now what we want to talk about for On Top Better Talk today. So no matter we don't drop for On Top with community table. Remember, say, you feel join us, send us message, oh, you feel call us, so make you contribute your contribution for On Top here. But we, the better women, will go talk. So from now, make we start from Moyo. Moyo, how you see this particular matter where they ground?
Okay, first and foremost, I go say this one emotional blackmail. The guy in question now, you understand, he dey manipulative, and he can't use the feeling, the love which she get for her sister to take, you understand, push or describe the narrative to suit his own side. He dey very selfish, and I go also say, like, in the inconsiderate of other people's feeling, not just his own feeling, waiting he wants, you understand? He can't use say, I go commit suicide, that your sister no go get anybody to take care of her and all that. Meanwhile, he they do the wrong thing. He they do things where they punishable, because the girl now 17 years old, she's still underage. She's still a teenager. So now if they try to do this and say, okay, I don't sin, no, I don't commit sin, no, but if I do I'm like this, they go sweep my own under the carpet. That's not emotional blackmail. And the sister will be the adult. She's supposed to see him and look beyond. You understand? Saying, I don't want to hurt my sister's marriage. I don't want to hurt my sister's, you understand, future. This sister go survive with that time. If you like, if you decide, say, okay, now that way you want you take threaten them, it not still matter. Make you face the full wrath of the law. Okay, so she asked one question. Make I arrest them. Make I tell my sister, Abi, make I just carry the secrets, go my grave. No, first and foremost, you're supposed to tell your sister and arrest them. You owe it as a duty for your sister, because me, I do all of the above. Do all of the above. To do all of, if you truly love someone, no matter how, you go stand by them and you go do the right thing for them. All right, thank you very much. Remember, so yourself join us talk for On Top this matter, and our WhatsApp line they're very open. In case you're there for YouTube, drop your comments fast. The earlier the better, so that we will feel read your message. May not talk say, okay, we'll not read your message. Pelumi, she dropped 3 questions. Arrest them, tell her sister, or carry the matter go grave. So you know why they laugh? I always they like when Moyo they talk, because Moyo they very passionate. Everything. She fit. Well, you know, so before I even talk about what thing she do, one of the prayers where they always pray, we say, make the people where we say I love, where we say I trust, make them know they do bad thing for my behind, where we say you no go ever know. Because I mean, for someone like you, how you go even believe, say, 17-year-old girl where you feel, say, no even to know the world like that, how you go believe, say, you know, she and your husband, they do some kind of things, maybe say she even don't come abort for your husband again. I can't even imagine how she go feel when she find out that thing, because betrayal is very somehow to me, to be honest. Now, that aside, leaving emotions aside, for this woman, what I go tell her, be say, first of all, take that your youngest sister far away from that house. Take that younger sister far away from that house, so that she no go get any. If then get maybe a relative in another state, or make she even come to her own. But you know, now she go to fear, so make she no come sleep with her own husband. But you know, but you know, just take her far away from that man. Because why are they talk? I'm like this now, saying we don't already see, say, this guy or this husband get tendencies of being manipulative. So if it be, say, he don't manipulate that girl to believe, say, she love him. And for someone, and now why... That's the 17-year-old girl. And now why a lot of people, they always clamor and, you know, talk about, you know, age. Say 18 is the year, you know, is the age of consent. Because it's so easy, say, you fit twist the mind of children, or you fit twist the mind of a teenager. And we not even understand, say, now this kind of thing supposed to happen, because, you know, as a sister, sleeping with your elder sister's husband. We need to look into it to make sure, say, you know, manipulates the girl, or even maybe start from sexual abuse, can't reach the point where you say she can't accept him, can't think, say, she didn't in love with him. So that is number one. Take her far away from her, so that she don't go get any form of contact. Now, me, I will tell my sister. When I tell her, I go, okay, now me and you, so that you know go be like, say, tomorrow, now me scatter your home. Me and you, waiting we go can't decide. This is the matter on ground. This guy has done this, endangered her life by aborting, because abortion no even they legal in Nigeria. So that means say now illegal malpractice where we say she feel lose her life, lose her womb or ability to give birth. Tell the sister everything where we say don't happen. Now me and the sister go come talk, say, okay, oh, this one where you don't hear, you won't forgive him. You won't arrest him. Now you're putting the ball inside the lady's court. So that even she herself, if you call arrest them tomorrow now, she not get any plan B. And I did very, very particular about plan B for women where be say, or people where be say, then they shots change, you know, where they say then get the short end of the stick. So that if she know what she go on do, she go down the plan and say, okay, I go arrest this guy, but may I pack money small way be say I go use, just so that she's not left dangling in the air, say 2 children, waiting I go do. So now waiting I go just talk be that.